So here we have a subdivision reel. We will use it to subdivide the parcel and let us adjust the size of the paddock that we want to do. These are from Pensagro, an Argentinian supplier of rotational grazing material. And here we are setting it up to allow for a connection with the main grid. We want it to be around the height of our pockets and then adjusting based on the topography of the terrain. The number of poles per paddock will vary a lot. In Uruguay we use a lot less poles than in Portugal because the terrains are flat, usually contiguous. But here in Portugal we have trees, we have irregular terrain, we have ups and downs, we have different geometry shaped paddocks, and we always need to adjust based on the conditions. In order to make this as easy to set up and scale, implement, pass down to employees, we usually try to make the orientation and set up the line before setting up the poles.